I'm Austin Termesy, and I invite you to come out on September 18th.
September 18th?
18th.
September 18th, we're having an open house. Please come by and see all the wonderful things that's going on with our children.
September 18th, we are having open house in each of the classrooms, and you are invited to come join us and see how everything goes with our children's ministry.
And we're inviting you to come September 18th for the open house.
On September 18th, on September 18th, on September 18th, on September 18th,
18.
I'm Tom Tillman, and I wanted to invite all of you out there with kids in kindergarten to come watch us teach on September 18th. 18th.
Open house. Open house.
Open house.
My name is Deshaun Glover, and I work with the 3rd grade students in Sunday school. And I welcome you on September 18th to come to our open house and enjoy Sunday school with my class.